eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints ibire company nambe yemo iyo korote chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyika ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand awa ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chirengo awa punakono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imenyumba iziko yenyumba chire chikomenta nibwa amafuta yani oil ya go chire chama inyoranga chirangi chiga chire korwase chire chiri vike iliya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati moigo imya Uhuru Superstores eduka yuka ibwate emixer iyo wochogane chirangi wibunuraga wochogane irangi yiga asikeyiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bukwege namuna ekale awa ni ukwanyora wekira tutarero nolere abamye abugo ekenga embayao uzi asomenya chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eywere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Sabatha umwancho murigereria ogetembe TV ekero rire ritukoria Jumamosi chinsa isano na ibere chabono umugaso ekero turachi gusanga ayo abereka gukorekana ase chinsemo hinyora na matuko aberuka tigaire mutinyo yiga ugatano na rimu onyare wakanse ogende tukwebekere tiki na kumanya aria ko abereka gukora na rari watabukiri na boigo na rari ari otaratabuki. Karibu sana ase kionga chinsa isano na ibere nakoro ansense moye bimanyerere tukubaterana nere vene enyavu ke studio kabere nere matundra chenkuruko Matilda Obaigwa nekerongo chaka ni gobono omojumbe okitutu masaba ime county ya Nyamira umuske Clive Gisairo bono anyarire kuboria kuna omugusi nabonete kungusera amo anemono chinga kechiga abarai bagendete gukwanira obochori obonene boli bosio bo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 nebere nigo abolirie abamenye bechinsemecho banyare kwenekia basabire serikali irituko nabo igo kumusabira nonye omurai omuske Fred Matiang'i koroiga ase orogongo rwagusi ikiagera omugusi na rigeti gutwara oyore omonogeri gose oyora atware ribagari nene ime ye serikali na chinga kechecho nigo bono anyarire koherera buna nati gotena bokongu kwegerera ekegancha kechibesa kia NGCDF ekyo keteneneire n'abajumbe ayaiga nigo areko yakwana korwa ase ward ya Manga ekero bareko igora ofisi y'omugambi we location ya Tombe yo kutoka ward ya Manga Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira.
batutingire bina mpaka CDF mwaramba tebete CDF touru gaba naye ono inche gaba none nyaribo mutagete nyaribo aye gukeregento toye nyaribo chibesa che obisyo mugambe toye nyaribo chibesa chokoro skuru toye nyaribo chibesa chokoro chipara toye nyaribo chibesa che basari igo otware ngotebya bagabana chibesa chiri moire kara oro kya bana inchingi chakorire abagetutu bagachora umurai utabwate mbuche mwamochandire chimbuche chechiro mutu lakini tinkorosa kubarwanira chikura cyane enarigeti arabu nande ngabatebi mogonchora ngoche simuri arabu kelinkonyora ninaleta mchana peupe ekerontaranyora ngonko batebi tindanyora erasma kwanza origyo gotera eryakabere abana bakomanya eryagatatu abangina bagwanja eryakane abagaka bagotugeke nande tete tutaramo buno mugushi igo mungi gwete tutaramo buno mugushi tinganje tikukuwa na mono lakini kwaligere lingaibona ali twarengo kole igo kwake sawa tuombe serikali yetu tuombe viongozi wetu na pia tumuombe Matiang'i kwa sababu moja, na sisi lazima tuwe na msemaji wetu.
Umuske William Ruto nigo bono anyarire korokia ugutagukiwa kwae ane muno amangana anyara gukurekana rituko ria Jumatano kaukwana na bonchoreria abake koro ase umuchio Nairobi ekero liarengeri tukoriabo ryo guchingira ubonchoreria bwabo nigo bono anyare kuraria una abonsi bali banyarete konyora asare nene ekinege korwa serikali egendete kugikiria na boigo goteba baria bari kurubikana na boigo gusagana ebioski na boigo ubonchoreria bwaba Kenya bande mbabonete kurigereriwa na boigo kumorekwa erinde banyare kubekwa biara nigo aboririe omonene bwabanyanyimbo omoske Douglas Kanja anyare konekia okorero kubatirana nebyombe binde elio komanya mbarabi banyarete gusegeta abasae kwika gukora obusaria nekeratebire eyetari Kenya eganeire korinde Kenya nigo eganetie obotoreru na boigo okubwaterana.
And I want to express my deepest regret for the loss of lives, looting and wanton destruction and loss of valuable property belonging to our traders who were deliberately targeted by criminal elements during the protests this week. Besides the regrettable loss of lives, the biggest victims of this chaos were our hard-working traders and entrepreneurs who wake up early every day to find some of their businesses and hustles reduced to ashes, and others with broken doors and empty walls or empty stalls. Let me say this. The right to peaceful protest is protected by our Constitution. We respect and uphold that right. But what we witnessed was not peaceful protest. It was calculated chaos. It was violence. It was destruction. And it was economic sabotage. Let's call it what it is. It is anarchy dressed in freedom colors. This is disorder disguised as democracy. Is this the Kenya we really want? I dare ask. Do we want to build or do we want to destroy? Do we uphold the law only to exploit its protection, to sow chaos and cripple our economy? Is this what freedom really means? Is it freedom to ban what others have built? Those elements doing this are not fighting for freedom. They are attacking freedom. I expect the Inspector General of Police and all relevant security agencies to conduct immediate, thorough, and speedy investigations. The perpetrators of this violence, looting, and destruction.
Guskabusia ni gobono umukonyi bumurai wensi umusiki kithure kindiki anyare kuboria abakenya nemuno abasahe banyare gwesokia ase ubonge na kweligia ase umuroberio onyota gusa umuroberio manyekarete buna National Youth Opportunities Towards Advancement ase ubwenge manyekanete buna nyota nigo atabire ase umuroberio iga nigo abakenya kura ase constituency chonsi na nemuno kura ase chi ward chonsi ichichire wetania elibwemo na bwego chiminye ase ense ya Kenya ono barachi korosia ebiombe wetania emirongo etano onebere asekera award nabo igo koboria buna ebiombe byombi chikobwatukirwa chibesa ao echichirabe chiribu emirongo etano gucha asekera ekiombe ekikerime ye award elio kogenderera no obonchoreria gose guchakia obonchoreria wabo ayega nigo omusike kindiki ariko yakona koro ase county ya Makueni nabo yonekera koboria abarai banyare kweneka buna abasirire abakenya chinga kichiga bale nokugania kwigoro muno.
Vile iko program ingine ya pesa ya serikali. Wacha hii pesa ya kuchanga sasa. Pesa ya serikali ambayo rais amesema kuanzia mwezi ujao katika taifa lote la Kenya, kaunti zote 47, maeneo bunge yote 290, ward zote 1450. Kwa kila ward serikali itatafuta biashara ndogo ndogo 70 kwa kila ward. Kwa kila ward serikali itatafuta biashara 70. Kila biashara ya hizo 70 zipatiwe pesa ya serikali shilingi 50,000 kupanua biashara yao ndogo ndogo. Hiyo program inaitwa National Youth Opportunities Towards Advancement, kwa ufupi NYOTA. Na tunairoll from next month. Every ward, 70 businesses will receive a grant from the government of Kenya of 50,000 shillings to expand on that business. Na hii pesa sio loan, sio kama ile loan ya Youth Fund, sio kama ile loan ya Uwezo. It's a grant ya serikali. The government of Kenya, working together with the World Bank, is going to spend 5 billion shillings across Kenya to make sure we identify 70 businesses per ward and give them a grant of 50,000 shillings each to expand on that business. Sio pesa ya kulipwa. Wale wata apply, wa succeed, watafanywa training how to use that money to expand their business, and that money is a grant. It will not be paid back. Hiyo ndio njia ya kusaidia wananchi mashinani. Sio kupiga panganga na mambo ya bure, mambo ya ukabila, mambo ya bure tu na vita. Ndio vijana wetu wengi tuwatoe katika hali ya kukosa matumaini na wapate, wale ambao wako kwa biashara wapate biashara ya kusaidia hao na kusaidia familia zao. Hiyo program
Kuskavosio mancho murigire nigo umugavana wa county ya Kericho umuske Kipkoech Mutai bono anyare kogikiria chinkwana chae umuske Rigathi Gachagua nekero atebire chinkwana chae Gachagua echo abereka kororokana gakotara chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya nabo igokoroka abakenya bande chikazin gose abamu abo nigo chirachie koleta obube obonene aiga ase ense ya Kenya anemono nigo anyare goteba nigo erachi koleta gose erachi koikera abakenya banyare kutwara chisegi chobugesa kukupatikana nenjera akubeka chingwana chiae aiga nigo aringi ko yakwana ekero obali kuligeria emeroberio koro ase county yaye ya Kericho.
The people of Kenya came William a position, they elected him, and we need the president to deliver on his mandate. When I hear Rigathi Gachagua talks about cousins, it reminds me of Rwanda. Rwanda burned down because of the differences between the Hutus and the Tutsis. The beginning of the genocide was differences of cousins and those other stories. What Rigathi Gachagua is doing is preparing this country to walk the pathway of a failed state. He is preparing for a good attack. And I want to ask my brother Murkomen, yesterday I heard you talk strongly. Please go for the financiers. Go for those who want to stabilize this country. Because this nation is important than individual. I ask all Kenyans that we embrace nationhood, we embrace nationalism, and let us build one Kenya which is undivided because of tribalism or ethnicity. So when this guy tells us cousins, where does the term cousins end? It is a way of organizing the country and make a fight between the Bantus and the Nylons. My appeal to Kenyans is let us shun tribalism. Wametutisha ya kutosha. Hata kama William has some flaws. Every leader has a flaw. No leader is perfect. It's only
Mwancho murigereria asense moyende nigo ebyombe bibere bitenerete abakori emirimo aiga ase ense ya Kenya bono byatuguteirare omugiro oyo konye byarobeire goche gochaka ekyombe bono ekyabarimo bonsi bali ense eria buri eria kupete nigo bono kyatebire ase amatuko ali atano nabere konye kyarure na kechigokora omorobero yani omugiro bono tike goche gokora boigo na boigo bali abateresa ense yekyombe kya Kenya Union of Nurses and Midwives na baraboni ko batebire amatuko ari 50 20 na atano nerimo konye babwatokire niko bono bamentire ekyombe kirige kurigereria emeshara na boigo ebyombe biri bikurigereria ensemeyo koro ase serikali nene amatukande 30 ari bosio elio koigorera chingwana elio banyare kurigereria emeshara yabo buna ebwenerete.
We will go to negotiate with Teacher Service Commission on the terms of our memorandum of demands. Teachers are not ready for a cashless CBA. They expect something to be added, even if it is about 6%. They will take. We will take however little, but we are not going home with nothing in our hands.
The Kenya National Union of Nurses National Advisory Council has extended this strike for 30 days, and if these issues will not be resolved, we can say confidently, surely, that the strike will begin on 3rd August 2025, exactly 12:001 a.m. And we are saying the Council of Governors, the Ministry of Health, together with all stakeholders, must take responsibility and ensure that these are issues that cut across the board, and we are not going to allow to be fragmented. This time round, it is only one negotiation, centralized, and it must apply to all 47 county public service boards.
Wekera ase roboti oro no to korere kionga jinsa isano na ibere weekend ritukeriga ria Jumamosi korene no konyoria ase roboti roae omoske kithure kindi kiniga goteba umurobere uyo onyota toribuna nelone chivesecho nigo abakenya barachi nyorere fatarachi bose chitachi kubwatigwa nainde ene serikali gendera kwetigara ime ya Getembe TV erindo nyare gucengera emerobere ende erebosio ane muno ritukeriga ria sabato ekero amange agenderete agendete konyorera matera amaya yokubo sisenia nchengurukwa Matilda Obaigwana koro ase bimanyerero nere vene inyaboke tigara ime ya Getembe TV chinga kichonsi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga watati Proval net gauges ao bunabono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato mbabwata tile Proval alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwata lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwata ligani kabwata chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na green ubutambe gwe mabwata liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwata bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwata liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwata yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa kasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo mucuri go busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase kinse mubuna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan bunam development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantora muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarire chiabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya Kisi Sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi ona into toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese bali batala join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yito bagusi yito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern
ne noga niko kolera